It's an exciting day today. Everyone is getting ready for the small boat racing. The race will start at 12 o'clock and there are about 10 boats will join the competition. Exciting, Diego?
Yeah, it's gonna be good. Good fun.
You. Hi, Bruce. Hello. Hello, Captain Bruce.
I think.
Hello, very exciting, Sleepy. It's a big day.
Big day. Big day has finally come.
Yeah. Everyone is excited. What's your boat's name, Sleepy?
The Sleepster.
So we start here, we go around, and that's one lap. We've got to come past there 3 times, and that is the finish line between that buoy and the hotel.
Where's the dotted lines between here and the buoy?
I'll dot your line in a minute, mate. Yours truly and Carol Ann, Uncle Jerry Farfy, he's from Australia. I'm not sure of the name of his boat. Andy Muir in anti-caps. California Mike has arrived. Come on, Commodore Bruce, let's go.
This is exciting.
Andy, get it. Jump in. We missed it. 1, 2, 3. Photo.
Here's all the sailors.
Lost at sea.
Alright, so the rules are we're all going to line up on that bar, 10 competitors with a small beer. You've got to finish the beer, put it on the bar, and then run for your vessel. Let's have a 5-7 minute warning now. Go to all your last adjustments to your... I'm getting there, mate. We'll just have a 5-7 minute warning and do all our last adjustments to the boat. And let's meet back at the bar in 5-10 minutes. Boom, boom.
Bruce is enjoying his beer. What do you think about the racing bike?
Good fun. Good excitement.
think Nick, oh no, Vincent and Diego. Crossing the finishing line, Vincent. Diego is coming.
First, second, third.
Bruce first, second Vincent, and the third one Diego.
What they win?
How was everyone? Good. Congratulations! Congratulations!
Vincent, come up here. We'll go to the top 3 places. So, Commodore Dave, Diego, and Vincent, please come up to the central presentation area.
Can I hand over the cup?
Yes, that is the tradition. You must pour the bintang into it. Not yet, Dave. Don't come too early. That's going to All right. So, if we have learned anything today, it's that my drinking prowess is much better than my sailing prowess, and that old age is shit cunning. The tops youth and exuberance any day, doesn't it, mate?
Treachery. Dexterity's no match for old age and treachery.
Thank you very much. I love it. It has been a bit of a shitty year for everyone, so it's fantastic to see everyone out here and having a good time. It's been a shitty year business-wise, you know, but it's been a good year getting together and getting to know everyone again. We had a bit of a meeting yesterday, and this is a pretty cool thing. We can all get together and drink some beers, do a bit of sailing, and get together and probably get drunk later on. So Diego came up with the idea of the dealer yacht club. Now he tells me that encompasses all the provinces around here. So Sedona, Orangout, Umbrella, all that sort of thing. So it's not the Sedona, it's not Umbrella, it's not Orangout. It's a whole. It's the whole region here. So as of today, this is the first time the Della Yacht Club has met and had a meeting. And I want to introduce first the third place getter, all the way from France. Oh no, hang on, wait, I've screwed it up. All the way from Uruguay is Diego. Give it up. Speech. You want to do a speech?
You're
All right. Well, thank you very much. It's an honor to participate in such a prestigious race in the Della Yacht Club. And I want to give a special thanks to Bruce for signing and building such an amazing vessel. And also to my friend Jimbo from lending me his boat. And Mick, that he didn't make it for the race, but I got to use this sail, and that's good. So, thanks Mick, I'm representing him on this sail. Alright, from Uruguay. Alright, representing France and coming in second is Vincent, a bit of a dark horse. Would you like to say a few words? Oh, fantastic.
Someone translate?
You don't get rid of an Imperial vessel. All the regatta around the world have been cancelled.
Turn the mic off.
You are the only brave guy. COVID or not, the race was on. I'm very, very thankful to my sponsor, Ben and Nico. They put all the energy, everything, changed the sails anyway. And really, of course, a lot of admiration. He was absolutely impossible.
Sultan of speed.
The whole race could not get close. And every time I would fight, he would just
Stevie.
Tony, it was so much fun.
Thank you, Vincent, all the way from France. So we should try to start a tradition. We had a race a couple of years ago, and the cult figure, Sleepy Dave, step forward, son. He is the inaugural winner of the Palapa Cup. Wasn't quite made, but let's hear it up for Uncle Jerry, who handcrafted this thing. Legendary effort. Now, mate, what we're going to do is get you to empty that into there while I introduce the Commodore Bruce Heggie. He has made every boat you saw out there today. He's doing a great thing down there at the boat shed. He's teaching Tom and Moose a real trade, and it's something that they can carry on if they like, for years and years and years. And it's the finishing on the boats is really, really bloody good. And we thank you for it, mate. And you've brought us so much joy over the years, just going out there sailing, mucking around. But right now, let's make it feel so welcome. The Commodore Bruce Heggie. Excellent, excellent work. The funny thing is, Jerry put his willy around that early this morning. All right, a couple of words from the Commodore. Over you come, mate.
What a great start.
Gotta use this thing. Oh, thanks everybody for coming. What a great day. And
Shut up,
and Greg, Bill, putting all this on, everything just fantastic. Couldn't be better. And everybody here, it's all we want. And
Push the button because it doesn't work.
it's not working.
Yeah, it is. It is. It is.
So no, anyway, I'd like to say that
It's working. Put it in your mouth.
Mick, who's not here unfortunately, be here later in the week. He kind of inspired us all to have a bit of a sail. He's you know, he brought a canoe here that he built himself. He can sail around Bali the whole lot, went sailing, surfing, and it was inspirational. And we built a few, everyone had a bit of fun on it, and we built a few more, and Tom and Moose, I've got to thank them, they're just the best workers, and learning heaps. It's been great fun. And also, I'd like to thank the two blokes that come out of here every afternoon with their little crab claw sail and their old wooden boat, and they go out through that mouth there and go fishing every sunset. They disappear.
Overnight.
And I reckon it's fantastic. So, that's about it. And thanks very much. It was a great day. And good fun.
Rightio, good on you, Commodore Bruce Heggie. And we just started another tradition for the next 12 months. He will be addressed as the Commodore of the Delhi Yacht Club. So thanks for coming along. This is our inaugural meeting. It's the hat. Yeah, I had a hat, but I still stuck it. So hang around. We're going to have some beers, $10 tacos, and let's have a good time. Boom, boom. Thanks for coming.
Yo!